hot chocolate. Really good. Just look at that tree, how it's actually glittering.
Everyone! It's all around us.
Santa.
Christmas has found us. Yet another year. We are the fortunate ones, all us daughters and sons. Everyone's still here, and that's something to be grateful.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. So I've come to my first ever drive-through Santa's Grotto, and the world we're living in right now, this is absolutely perfect. Take a look. So the first thing we've come to is a tea stall, food collection point pull-in. So if you want to grab a cup of tea or a bacon roll, you can grab it from there. But then basically you're holding up a very long queue, so it's not advisable.
I am Mr. Grumpy Pants. I'm Chief Elf.
Aww.
Yes, so I have to look after all these little perishers who are running around being cheerful and who does things to a man, you know. So have you been good this year?
I like to think so.
I'll look on the list.
Is it the naughty list?
No, it's nice with the question mark. How does that work?
Yeah, that's all right. That's
Okay,
acceptable.
yes.
Yeah.
Well, we've got you down for a power drill, and Tim, we've got you a Disney princess dress. Was that what you wanted?
That sounds about right.
Yeah, definitely.
Sounds
Excellent.
about right.
We'll just go and confirm it with the boss down there then.
All right, brilliant.
Taverham Hall in the distance, which is decorated with bits of snowflakes. I love that the trees are all coloured up.
What did Santa Claus say to Mrs. Claus?
I don't know.
He said, Mrs. Claus, look out the window, there's reindeer.
I want one of these lollies.
I made it, I really did.
Wow.
Thank you. It's very tasty. You should ask Santa for one, he might make you one himself.
Maybe. So there's a lonely saxophonist. Is that what you call it? A saxophonist? Saxophonist? Saxophonist?
I don't know, but that'll do.
Looks pretty good, the building
Oh,
there.
it looks so good.
So the journey continues.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Santa!
I do hope you've been enjoying yourselves here this evening.
Yeah.
Good.
Great fun.
Lots of lovely smiley faces. That's what I like to see. We've got a lovely little present for the young'uns to go home with here this evening.
Oh,
A little
lovely.
very good. Stay safe, have fun, and a Merry Christmas to every one of you.
And to you. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye. This way.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Hi guys!
Hi.
What have you got there? It's a little camera.
Yeah.
Hi everyone! Hi everyone! They can't hear me. Hi everyone! I'll try again later. Would you guys like some cookies for the car?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah?
Yes,
Awesome!
we'd love
How many
some.
people have we got in this car?
There's 3.
70.
70! I think someone might be on the naughty list this year. Is any allergies in the car?
No.
No, super duper. Sure you've been good enough this year to have these cookies?
Oh, definitely.
Oh, I'm not sure.
I've been an angel.
Do you think?
Yeah, I
Have you
have.
been
They
good enough?
haven't, but I've been an angel.
Have you been good enough? Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe I should. Oh, no, for me. For you. Okay, I'm going to shut my eyes.
You can trust me. I've
I
been
can-
good.
Oh, okay. I can
Trust me.
You. You just drive on ahead for me and have a wonderful Christmas.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
They still can't hear me. Bye, everyone.
Is that an elf?
Oh, Merry Christmas, guys.
It's an elf.
Excited for Christmas.
Very.
Did you just get cookies?
Yeah.
Did you bring my cookie?
We got any cook? Are you allowed to eat on the job?
Santa always tells me off.
Oh,
I saw these big ones from Mrs. Claus so I could eat them.
oh.
They're a bit steep.
It seems like all the actors are American. Have you noticed that? Some random dancing elves over there. So I think over here in the distance you can see some humongous bulbuls. Okay, and I've quickly just got out of the car. I have special permission because I wanted to take a closer look at these bulbuls because they look amazing and the kind of bulbuls that I want in my house. Look at that. There's some more over there as well. Just look at that tree, how it's actually glittering. Isn't that amazing how they've done that? So pretty, look at it. So magical. This is amazing hot chocolate. Really good. Do you like yours?
I haven't had any yet. I've been too busy driving.
Sorry.
God, look how pretty the trees are. Lovely
I
colours.
know, how nice.
Gorgeous.
It's just so peaceful, isn't it? With all the trees lit up.
It's really pretty. You know, you'd just be driving and you don't know what you're going to get around the corner. Like, I weren't expecting cookies, I weren't expecting hot chocolate, and you don't know what sort of lights you're going to get. It's all a bit mysterious and I quite like it.
Is this the end?
This is the beginning.
The beginning
Yeah.
of the end.
The beginning just before Christmas.
Well, thank you very much. It was very festive. Have a good Christmas.
Thank you very much for joining us in our celebration.
See ya.
Take care now.
That was so different. I love the cookies and the hot chocolate. It was a really great festive event. Shame it took a little bit long to get into though. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.